Okay, this video is how to process elderberry or sambucus so that you don't get sick. Save this for later and share it with a friend. It's really easy. There isn't a lot to it. First of all, the compound that is toxic is not cell-destroying toxic. It is upset stomach-inducing toxic. So that's something to be considerate of. Secondly, it is very sensitive to water and heat, which means if you are cooking your elderberry in any way, if you're using dried berries, you're going to put it in water to extract it, so you're already doing the right thing. Heating, I've seen a lot on either side. You don't really have to heat it. I dry berries, but then I water process them before using them typically. The other way that you can reduce the cyanogenic glycosides are through fermentation. So really the only way that you can get sick from elderberry is if you have some kind of allergy, if you have some kind of immune system disorder, and that's not for everybody because I have an autoimmune issue and I use elderberry just fine. Or if you're like eating the raw berries, and I think they smell gross and I think they taste gross, so I don't really know why anybody would do that. Tincturing elderberry with like a 40% alcohol, even in higher alcohol would be fine because there's still a water content in that. Or making an electuary, which is honey and dried elderberry, would also take care of it because there's a water content to the honey. And then, like I said, fermentation is going to break that down. And when we're talking about toxicity, some of the research that I've read has said elderberry, the cyanogenic glycosides in elderberry are equivalent to that of an almond. So keep that in mind. We're not talking super dangerous, super risky. We're talking there are toxins present in a lot of the foods that we eat, and it's just it's the dose that makes it toxic. If you have other questions regarding elderberry, I'll do my best to answer. Please let me know in the comments.